Train to Busan, a gripping Korean horror thriller. By M.Muqtasid.dar. I usually avoid horror films due to the intense anxiety they bring, but Train to Busan completely changed my perception. This Korean horror thriller is crafted with such brilliance that it pulls you into its world from the very first scene. The story begins with a chilling moment: a deer is run over by a vehicle, left bloodied and seemingly lifeless. But just moments later, it eerily rises, setting a disturbing tone for what's to come. The haunting background music only adds to the tension, which builds rapidly within the first 5 minutes. At the center of the story is a father traveling with his young daughter to Busan on a high-speed train to visit her mother. They're joined by various other passengers, each with their own background and story. But things take a terrifying turn when a zombie outbreak erupts, starting with one infected passenger. One by one, the infection spreads, turning the train into a deadly battleground of survival. What makes this film stand out is not just the horror element, but the emotional depth and human connections. Strangers come together to fight for their lives, protect each other, and make sacrifices. It's a story of survival, humanity, and resilience in the face of fear and chaos. If you enjoy survival horror films with unexpected twists and constant tension, Train to Busan is a must-watch. It's more than just a zombie movie, it's a fast-paced emotional ride that keeps you hooked till the very end. IMDb rating, July 6, 10.